Hi guys, it's Pat here, and today I'm back with another video, so let's get started. And today I'm gonna burp the ABCs, so let's go. I did it! I did it! Yay! It's actually really easy. All you have to do is go, and then that's how you force burp, and then you just force burp the ABCs. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and I will see you all later. Peace!